Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download EaseUS Partition Master for Windows, complete guide step by step clearly. To download EaseUS Partition Master for Windows, start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official EaseUS website. In the search bar, type EaseUS Partition Master and hit enter. Locate the official download link for EaseUS Partition Master. Click on the download button for the free version. Choose a location on your computer where you want to save the installation file. Wait for the download to complete. Once the download is finished, locate the downloaded file in your designated folder. Double-click the installation file to begin the installation process. If prompted by user account control, click Yes to allow the program to make changes to your device. The setup wizard will open. Click Next to proceed. Read through the end-user license agreement and accept the terms to continue. Select the installation path or use the default settings, then click Next. You may be offered additional software. Deselect any you do not wish to install. Click Install to begin the installation of EaseUS Partition Master. The installation process may take a few moments. Wait for it to complete. Once the installation is finished, you will have the option to launch the program immediately. Click Finish to exit the setup wizard. You can now find EaseUS Partition Master in your Start menu or on your desktop. Double-click the icon to open the software and start using it. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.